Good morning, student. Today we will learn our second lesson, the plant fairy. Objectives of the lesson. A student will observe different types of plants, their leaves and able to name them. They will go out in any garden or on the road or their surroundings and they will observe different types of plants and their leaves. A student will identify the plants by its leaves, smell, size and able to classify them. A student will discover the importance of plants in our life. They will find out the things needed to grow a plant. Here we will recognize or identify the plants part of a plant. This green part is leaf, but you can see many colors of the leaves like red and yellow also you can find common. Flowers. Flowers come in different colors and they have smell also. Stem. Stem support the plant above the soil. Fruit has seed in it. Root. Root holds the plant firmly to the soil. It absorbs water and mineral from the soil and send it to other part of the plants like stem, branches, leaves, fruit. Stem. Stem holds the plant above the ground. It transports the water and mineral from the root to other parts of the plant. Flower. The colorful part of the plant produces seeds and attracts insects to the plant to pollinate them, like it attracts honeybee. Leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of sunlight. Fruit. Fruit contain seeds which help the plant for dispersal of seeds from one place to other. Like when the fruit ripe, it falls down and cracks. The seed disperse with the help of wind and water from one place to other. Things needed to grow a plant. Air. If we will keep a plant in a closed box, it will not grow. So air is needed to grow a plant. Sunlight. Sunlight helps the plant to grow. If we will keep plant in a dark room, it will not grow. Soil also needed to grow a plant because it has minerals in it. Water. Water is also needed to grow a plant. We can see many types of plants in our surroundings. Smallest plants are called herbs. Herbs are very soft and small plants with soft stem. They live for few months. Most of the herbs are aromatic and leaves can be used to flavor the food items. Here, mint. Mint has strong smell and flavor. We use this as chutney. Tomato. Coriander also have strong smell. Shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized plants. They live for few years. They are plants with multiple wood stem growing from a common center. cotton, rose, henna or mehndi. Trees. Near our house, on the road, in our surroundings, we can see many big and tall plants. They are called trees. A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches. Trees can live for many years. Here we can see one tree, mango tree. Neem tree. Neem tree is very useful for medicines. Each and every part of neem tree can be used as medicine. Peepal tree. Peepal tree has thick bark. Climbers. Climbers are the plants with very thin, long and weak stem. It cannot stand upright without using support because climbers have thin and long weak stem, so always it needs support to stand up. Every time you can see some climbers take support of trees, or we have to give support of some bamboo like this. Here are some climbers. Pea plant, grapevine. Creepers. Creepers are the plants that creep on the ground. They have very fragile, long, thin and weak stem. But fruit of the creepers are very heavy. So they just creep on the ground like watermelon. You can see watermelon is very big and heavy, so it cannot climb on any tree. Pumpkin. Importance of trees in our life. Trees are very important in our life. We use it in many ways. Trees give us air to breathe. Trees give us food to eat like fruits, vegetables and cereals. Trees give shelter to many animals. In summer season, you can see many animals stand in the shade of trees, and on the trees birds make nests. Trees clear the air. It purifies the polluted air. Trees prevent soil erosion. In the root, it holds soil. So, when there is flood or heavy rain, soil cannot go away because root hold the soil. Now, let us test ourselves. You have to say whether the statement is true or false. Herbs are very strong plants. Is it true? No, it is false because herbs are very weak and soft plants. Trees live for many years. Yes, it is true. Even some trees live for 200 or more than 200 years. Creepers creep on the ground because they have very soft stem, but it has heavy weight. Yes, it is true. Mint, coriander and curry patta leaves has strong smell. Yes, it is true. We can live without trees. False, we cannot live without trees. Stem protect the body of a tree because of its hard bark. Yes, it is true. Now you circle the odd one out in each row. Sunlight, air, water, neem. Yes, neem is different because sunlight air and water are the things needed to grow a plant. Root, flower, herb, stem. Yes, herb is different because root, flower, stem are the parts of the plant. Peepal tree, banyan tree, strawberry, apple tree. Yes, strawberry is different because peepal, banyan and apple are the trees. But strawberry is a herb. Pea plant, tulsi plant, money plant, grapevine. Yes, tulsi is different because pea plant, money plant, grapevine are the climbers. But tulsi is a shrub. Find the name of plant in the maze. Yes, banyan tree. Rose plant. Neem. Tulsi. Peepal tree. Now you have to name some things with flower and leaf pattern. Cup plate, cushion cover. And you can see many things in your surroundings with flowers and leaf pattern like bed sheet, table cover, your dress. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson.